Hey guys, this is part 4 of Doodle with Kitten. I'm Kitten, and we are almost done with this cat. We only have a few more details to add. So, first I'm adding lighter markings on to the already light markings compared to the deep brown. And she looking beautiful. And I'm going to add a little ring around this little one on her side. Maybe even a few lighter dots on their own, but small light dots. And maybe a little bit of an inside of a dot there. And, I feel like she needs a little bit of spice around her eye, so she has a dot around one of her eyes. And yes, so this is her so far. I will look at the comments in this video to see what her name will be, and I'll announce it in the next episode parts. The next episode of Doodle with Kitten. And yeah. So I'm gonna give her just some beautiful crystal blue eyes. So like, ooh, this is a good color. And just add this color into the eyes. And there she is. So now, since I have enough free spirit and I am way too ambitious, now I'm going to add a collar. And of course I'm going to make it another cold color because she has a very warm palette. So I think I'm going to make it maybe even the same blue as her eyes. And just add a nice long stripe here. Oof, did a mess up. And I may be adding more to this area later, but it's pretty good. And now I'm just gonna draw on a little bell. One of those little bells. It's gonna be very simple. Nothing with lines. Well, it has very few lines, at least. And this is going on the color layer, but I'm gonna put this on the line layer. This is just gonna be a cute little bell. Yeah, I totally need to review that. This. And this. It's simple. Make an X as the little bell. But I'm gonna go a step further. I'm gonna do a little curl around to show that it's round. And yeah, this is our cat. We need to name it, so go down in the comments and name it. And so this is the first episode, the end of the first episode. Next time I'll be making another cat on this face, and we can start creating a little world together. I'm going to need to sign off for now. So, I'll see you guys later, and make sure to like and subscribe, and stay safe, my cookie crumbs. Bye-bye!